In this video, we are going to see how we can make our TikTok account private on the TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just head over to our profile first from the bottom right hand corner. Here you can see this profile icon, click on that. And once you're in here, you need to head over to the three lines at the top right hand corner. Click on that. And from here, we will choose settings and privacy. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see something like private account in the visibility section. Click on that and you can just toggle that on or off depending on your preference. So if you want to, let's say, enable the private account, you can just toggle that on and make sure it is turned on just like this. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.